Alright, this is my backyard. This is about 2 days of a snowstorm we was in. They say we got like 26, 27 inches of snow, but yet our snow drifts are much higher than that. The lightest part of my yard is my actual driveway, right where my garage is. That's not much at all. But that's my neighbor's garage. His back door, you can't even get to his door because of the snow drifts. That's in between our houses. You can barely see part of my back house there. Snow drifts are very tall. Let's walk up on a little bit more here. I was able to dig out a little bit. I'm still gonna have to get my snowblower out. I actually got some lawnmowers underneath there. I got them in tarps. I have not touched the front yard yet. Let's go see what the front yard looks like. Pretty good sized snow drift here. I ain't gonna be able to walk through that. That is actually my road. Like a plow came through, but they still do a lot more. Can't even see what the sidewalk is. That's the neighbor's front door. They don't live there right now. They're actually remodeling the house. All right, that's it in Jamestown.